In today's video, let's talk about how to use Zelle with Capital One. Welcome back everyone to this new tutorial video. Now, whether you're trying to transfer or receive a payment through Zelle within Capital One, in today's video, let me show you the exact steps that you need to follow. Now, within the homepage of your Capital One app, you should be able to see the option which says Zelle, send money with Zelle. You can simply tap on this option, and if this is your first time, you'll need to first of all enroll with Zelle, which means you simply need to create your account by adding in your email address as well as your phone number. A one-time verification code will be sent to your phone number in order to set up your device. Once that step is complete, in order to send money to other people, you just need to tap on the send money option that you should be able to find it within, and then add in the other person's phone number or the email address that is linked or registered with Zelle. Enter in the desired amount and you can simply tap on the send button. So this is the exact steps that you can follow, or the process that you can follow to use Zelle with Capital One. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.